What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Al here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about which engine oil is best for a Toyota Yaris. Choosing the right engine oil for your Toyota Yaris is one of the most important things you can do to ensure it runs smoothly and efficiently. When it comes to oil recommendations, Toyota have specific guidelines based on the model year of your Toyota Yaris. I'm now going to share the Toyota Yaris 2020 and newer models recommendations, and then we're going to look at the 2010 to 2019 models, and then I'm going to look at the pre-2010 models. In terms of Toyota Yaris 2020 and newer models, Toyota typically recommends 0 to 20 watts fully synthetic oil. This oil is designed to offer excellent fuel economy while protecting the engine during cold starts. The zero weight part means it flows easily at low temperatures, which is important for starting the engine in cooler climates. For slightly older Yaris models, meaning 2010 to 2019 models, you'll find that the 5W30 synthetic oil is often the best choice. This oil provides a good balance of engine protection and performance, especially for engines with higher mileage. For the earliest Yaris models, pre-2010, 10W to 40 semi-synthetic oil is generally suitable. While these engines may not need the high-performance synthetic oils, it's still important to choose an oil that provides adequate protection for older engines. One of the most common questions Yaris owners have is whether they should use synthetic or conventional oil. Synthetic oil is engineered to provide better performance, particularly in extreme temperatures. It lasts longer and offers superior protection against engine wear. For most Toyota Yaris models, synthetic oil is the recommended option due to its ability to maintain viscosity and perform better under various driving conditions. While conventional oil is cheaper, it doesn't offer the same level of protection and may require more frequent changes. It might be a suitable option for older Yaris models, but overall, synthetic oil is preferred. The Toyota Yaris has evolved over the years, with different models requiring specific types of oil. Generally, Yaris models come in 3 variations: petrol, diesel, and hybrid. Each engine has slightly different oil needs. Petrol engines are most common and generally require synthetic oils with a specific viscosity grade. For diesel-powered Yaris models, the oil needs to have additives that help with soot and sludge buildup. Hybrid Yaris models typically benefit from oils designed for energy efficiency and lower emissions. Now let's look at the best engine oil brands for Toyota Yaris. Here are the top 5. Mobil 1. Known for its high quality synthetic oils, Mobil 1 offers excellent protection for newer Yaris models. Their 0W to 20 synthetic oil is a popular choice. Castrol is another reputable brand. Castrol's magnetic line offers 5W to 30 synthetic oil that clings to engine parts for better startup protection. Shell Helix. Shell synthetic oils are designed to clean your engine while providing top-notch protection, especially for older Yaris models. Total Quartz. This brand offers oils designed for both diesel and petrol engines, making it a good fit for Yaris owners who want performance and reliability. And then finally, number 5 is Valvoline. A more affordable option, Valvoline's synthetic oils are suitable for a range of Yaris models, especially those with higher mileage. That then brings up the question, how do you choose the right oil based on your driving conditions? You might be driving in the city, you might be driving long range distances, you might be in hot climates or cold climates. So let's look at all of those. If most of your driving is stop and start in the city, synthetic oil is a great choice as it provides better protection in conditions where the engine doesn't fully warm up. Oils with higher detergency will help keep the engine clean. For motorway driving or long distance driving, an oil with lower viscosity like 0W to 20 will help improve fuel efficiency and provide optimal protection during high-speed driving. If you live in hotter climates, oils like 5W to 30 or 10W to 40 may be more suitable as they are better at maintaining their viscosity in higher temperatures. In colder climates, stick to 0W20 or 5W30 oils, as these flow more easily when the engine is cold, helping to reduce wear and tear on startup. This then brings up a question, which is how do you check and maintain engine oil levels in a Toyota Yaris? Here are some simple steps. Number 1, park on a level surface. Make sure that your car is on level ground to get an accurate reading. Number 2, turn off the engine. Wait for the engine to cool down if it's been running. Number 3, check the dipstick. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then reinsert it and pull it out again to check the level. Add oil if needed. If the oil level is below the recommended line, top it up with the appropriate oil, being careful not to overfill. For myself, whenever I'd fill up my car with petrol, I always check the oil. Selecting the right engine oil for your Toyota Yaris is key to keeping your car running smoothly. Whether you're driving a new Yaris hybrid or an older petrol model, sticking to Toyota's recommended oil specifications and performing regular oil changes will help protect your engine, enhance performance, and save you money in the long run. Keep these tips in mind and you'll enjoy a smoother, more efficient ride for years to come. Are you looking to buy a new used car? Well then contact us at Car Nights. We have over 200 vehicles in stock, from Toyota Yaris hybrids to Teslas and Hondas and so many other vehicles that we have available. Go to carnights.co.uk to view our vehicles. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, like and share because you care, and we'll see you guys in the next video.